Keep lettuce fresh for weeks in your fridge? To keep lettuce fresh for weeks, it's best to store it with a balance of moisture and air circulation. After washing and drying the lettuce thoroughly, wrap it loosely in paper towels to absorb excess moisture, then place it in a plastic bag or container with a slightly opened lid to allow for some airflow. Store it in the crisper drawer of your refrigerator. Here's a more detailed breakdown. Wash and dry. Thoroughly wash the lettuce leaves, removing any dirt or debris. Spin them dry in a salad spinner or pat them dry with paper towels to remove as much moisture as possible. Paper towel wrap. Line a container with paper towels. Place the dried lettuce on top of the paper towels, and then add more paper towels on top to help absorb any remaining moisture. Air circulation. Store the lettuce in a plastic bag or container with a slightly opened lid or some air holes to prevent it from becoming soggy and promote air circulation. Crisper drawer. Store the container in the crisper drawer of your refrigerator, as this provides the optimal humidity level. Change paper towels. Replace the paper towels every few days to ensure they continue to absorb moisture and prevent spoilage. By following these steps, you can significantly extend the shelf life of your lettuce, keeping it fresh and crisp for weeks.